friends, welcome to Exams Daily YouTube channel. Today in this video, I would like to share you about the latest update which was given by TNFU SRC. Before that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for more details. TNFU SRC is nothing but the Tamil Nadu Forest Uniform Services Recruitment Committee. They will be recruiting for the postings of Forest Department and for the postings. And earlier in their notification, they have mentioned a posting that is Forest Guard, and another post is Forest Guard with license. And they have also mentioned that there are 726 vacancies for Forest Guard and 152 vacancies for Forest Guard with license. And they have also conducted the examination. The examination was successfully conducted before the COVID-19 situation itself, and the examination was conducted on 8/3/2020 and 16/3/2020, and later in November they have given the answer key and answer key challenge also, and the final answers has also been released on 9/11/2020. So they have mentioned that as soon as possible we will give you the result, and if you are a candidate who are waiting for the result, here they have uploaded the result. So I will show you how to check your result in this video. For checking your result, first of all you have to go to your official website of TNFUSRC. It is www.forest.tn.government.in. So if you click that and if you go to this website, you will be getting this type of homepage. In that homepage, you can check they have given a latest update and many of the things. And here there will be requirement. You have to click that section. And if you click that, you will be getting a latest update regarding this post. So they have given the notification, and they have also mentioned the vacancy details and the online examination and some of the things. And now they have given the requirements and notification. Here they have given that publication of the provisional list of the shortlisted candidates, and they have given in the category wise also. So they have given in both English and in Tamil. So you can check any of this, and if you click that, you will be getting a new page. So this is the notice which was released by TNFU SRC, and they have given the list of the shortlisted candidates. So here is that, and they have given for the post of Forest Guard, and the table 1 is for general category. So they have given this. And they have also mentioned that there are 273 postings, and persons who are selected for this has also been mentioned. They have given the registration number alone. So if you have been appeared for this examination and if you are eagerly waiting for the result, you can check through the result. And this is for the table 2 is for the Forest Guard postings for the category of MBC and DT candidates, and table 3 is for the Forest Guard with driving license, and that is for general category, and the last is for Forest Guard with driving license for the category of MBC and DT candidates. So you can check through it, and you can check your results as soon as possible. That's it, they have given like this. If you like this video and if you think this video is very useful for you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.